Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to replace your character in Niagara Dissolve Age effect. Okay, let's start it. Okay, now we have this effect and Mixamo character. Let's create a material for the character. It's easy. Okay. And we put the effect blueprint in the level. Also, the example character, mannequin. I always use it. You see, in the blueprint we have 5 variables. Actually, it's 4 because the material and the material 1 they depend on how many materials your character has. In the example, the mannequin has 2 materials, so it's 2. Okay, now let's select the character in the level. Play. Yeah, it worked. The color, you can change the effect color. Yellow. The dissolve texture. It controls the dissolve style. Oh. Yes. Okay, now let's replace it. Yes, the example character. Copy the blueprint. Select the example character. Also, we need to change the materials. Let's open. Copy this node to your character. Mask. Okay. The material 1, we don't use it because the example character has 1 material. You can delete it. Let's play. Yeah, it's worked. Also change the color. Noise. See, it's very easy. And if your character has multiple materials, changes materials, it's very boring, so you can watch this tutorial. In this way, maybe better. Okay, that's all for the tutorial. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.